Hey guys, if you want to learn how to make these beautiful, super affordable glitter roses, this is the video to watch. And I'm the person to show you how to do it. So let's do it. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. Beautiful. All right guys, so here are our finished roses. Hey guys, it's your girl Clarion, aka Clay's Customs, and today we're gonna do a custom, but not like what I usually do. It won't be with any shoes. Today we're doing custom roses. So I know you guys probably been seeing all over TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, wherever social media platform you like to use the most, those beautiful glitter roses. And today we're gonna try to make some ourselves. And I went with the red because I want to do something classic. So I'm gonna show you guys, a quick, cool way to make those beautiful glitter roses. And they don't have to just be for Valentine's Day. You can make those roses for a birthday, Valentine's Day, just a gift, thinking about your gift. If somebody's not feeling too well, you could brighten up their day with some. So if you clicked on this video, that means you want to learn how to make these glitter roses. And don't worry, that's why I'm here. I'm here to show you guys how to do it. So as you see, we already have the roses, but this is not all the materials we're gonna need. So let me go ahead and show you guys all the materials that we're gonna need to make this happen. Let's go. All right, so as you guys can see, we have our materials. We're gonna go with red glitter, but I didn't really realize I didn't have that much red glitter, so I'm gonna see if I can kind of mix the red glitter with the silver glitter and see if it give us like, a nice little combination. But you're gonna need whatever glitter of your choice. If you have blue roses, then you can do like blue glitter. If you have pink roses, you can do pink glitter. White roses, they have white glitter. You can do white glitter as well. But today, since we have red roses, I'm gonna do the I'm gonna do the red glitter with a little bit of the silver mixed together and kind of make our own combination. Make them even more customized. You're gonna need some type of spray adhesion. Today I'm using Krylon, which is a brand that you can just get at Walmart, or you can use like Gorilla Glue spray. They have spray as well. Elmer's Glue has like a craft spray. I believe like Mod Podge, that brand, they have different ones, so you can use that as well. And then I'm also using Krylon. It's like a glitter sealer, and you just spray that in on the end or at the end when you're done putting your glitter on, just so the glitter doesn't like flake and fall everywhere. And then of course you need gloves so you can keep your hands nice and clean. And I'm gonna do the bag method. I've seen people do methods where they like go ahead and bunch the roses and like put paper around it and spray it and do it that way, or they'll take like one single rose and they'll like put a piece of paper behind it and spray it. But today I want to go the bag method. I think that method will be a lot quicker and efficient, and I just think you can really get a better idea of how it's gonna go. So you're gonna need 2 bags. You're gonna need 1 bag to spray the adhesion and then 1 bag to glitter the rose. So you're gonna need 2 bags. Just regular plastic bags, or like a box or a container or something that you can use to, set up your process. So showed you guys the materials. Now let's get started. Okay, so for the roses, we are gonna be using these artificial roses, and I got them from Walmart. If you guys can see that, got these from Walmart, and they were like, I want to say like 98 cents for like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It was 98 cents for I guess like a little small bouquet of about 6 roses. And with them being artificial, you could just kind of pop them off if you want to like do it. If you want to put the glitter on it that way and do it that way, or you could just leave it on the stems and just spray all of them and then kind of just dip and do your thing. But these are artificial roses. If you want to, you can use real ones, but today we're going artificial because, I want to see how long they can last. Like I think if you're gonna glitter them, it's cooler if you do the artificial because they're gonna last longer. I mean, you can do the real ones. It's probably gonna be a cooler effect, I guess, if they're real. But to me, I like the artificial ones because I mean, if you're gonna do that much work, I feel like you should keep them for as long as you can. But did want to let you guys know that these are from Walmart, and they're only about 98 cents. And in total, I only spent about like $8 or $9 And then, you know, glitter is maybe about $3. I think the spray is about 5 or 6. I don't know, I had this spray for a long time. And I mean, bags are free, so you can do all this definitely for under $20. Very easily under $20. But these are the materials. Let me get everything prepped and I'm gonna show you guys the process. Okay, got my bags prepped. Got my roses, got all the stickers taken off. So now we're gonna go ahead and make the glitter. So I have the red glitter, and I don't have that much. I wish I had more, but this is what I have for right now. So we're gonna put the red glitter in the bag. I'm just gonna dump it all because I'm gonna use all the red glitter today. All right, so we put all the red glitter in the bag. Now we're going with the silver. And I'm about to show you guys what the mixture looks like in just a second. So here's the mixture. Very red, very sparkly with a little hint of the silver. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more silver just so you guys can kind of like, you know, see a little bit more of the sparkle. Just gonna kind of like mix it up like that. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Okay, we're gonna leave it like that. But this is the bag set up. This is the other bag for the spray and then the roses. So yeah, I think that's gonna be really nice. All right, guys. So now we're about to get started. I have everything prepped and ready, and we're gonna go ahead and put that glitter on those roses. So as you can see, like I told you guys earlier that you know, the roses pop off. So I already popped off a few, and I think I'm gonna do it that way. I think I'm gonna pop them off, spray them, and then, you know, coat them with the glitter. So we're gonna pop a few of these off, and I'm gonna take the rose petal like this. Get the spray adhesion, put it over my bag and spray it real good like that. Then we're gonna take it and dip it in the glitter. Oh, and it came out really cute. Just wanna shake it off, shake off the excess glitter so we have some more for the other ones. Gotta be careful with that adhesion spray, man. It is very serious. And we're just gonna put that to the side and keep going. And I have a towel down here on the floor. I know you guys can't see it, but I'm gonna be putting them on the floor and doing it that way. All right, here we go. Okay, guys, so I've done a couple of the roses already, as you guys saw. But since I took them all off, I kind of realized it probably would be quicker if I just kind of open up the bag a little bit and just place a few of them in there at a time. Maybe like 3 or 4. And you could, depending on your bag, you can really fit quite a few. But I'm gonna do maybe like 4 at a time. Kind of spray them and then like dip them as I go, so it can go a little bit faster because it's quite a few roses. So spray it like this. Try to evenly coat it. I'm noticing like if you don't evenly coat it, the rose is not. I mean, obviously it doesn't look as, you know, glittery all the way around, but try your best when you're spraying it to try to like evenly coat it. I'm the type of person kind of likes to push the limits and test things, you know, just to see how things are gonna look. So I left 2 of these bouquets, and I'm going to do them a little bit differently. I have, I want to do some just like all silver with no red. I want to do a few white and a few pink. So I have pink glitter here, and I also have white glitter. So I'm gonna save that for the end, but right now I'm gonna finish up with the red. All right, guys, so finished with the red, and now I want to do some different colors. So I got some white glitter, I got some silver glitter, and I also have some pink glitter. So I got a couple roses left, And I'm gonna end up spraying these and putting them with the other colors. So, cause I want to see what this is gonna look like, you know, like to give it that contrast and just to do something different. I don't like to do the same thing that everybody else does all the time. Like, I like to do things very different. I mean, I'm sure you guys could probably tell by my customs. Like, I don't like to do what you averagely see. So, I think I'm gonna go with the white glitter first. I'm gonna do maybe about 6 of them with the white glitter and about 6 with the silver and 6 with the pink. So let's get started. So we're gonna go ahead and go pink. So I'm gonna take this white glitter and try to put it back in the container because I didn't end up using it all. So we're gonna put this back. Try my best to put this back. Let's see. That's the one thing about glitter, guys. That stuff gets everywhere, and it is such a hassle to clean and put up and just deal with all together. Okay. Cool, we got all the white glitter back in, and whatever's left, you can just go in the trash, because I don't feel like dealing with it. But okay, so we did red, we did white, now we're going pink, and this is the pink glitter I get. And I usually get my glitter from Walmart or Michael's, but I know they have glitters that you can get from like Amazon and different places like that. And I have ordered some from Amazon. I have ordered some from Amazon before, but I don't think I really used it. But I used to use these, and I always get these from either Walmart or Michael's because to me, they're a little bit cheaper. And it's just more convenient. Like if I want to just run in and get another color, I can just go. I don't have to wait. Even though Amazon Prime is kind of quick, but this is just a lot easier. So, same process. Spray the rose. Try to coat it really well. Take your glitter, fill the bag or container or whatever you're using with your glitter. Oh, I think this pink is gonna be so cute. If y'all think the pink is gonna be cute, comment down below and tell me before I even do it what you think. You think the pink is a yes or a no? Let's see. Let's get this out the way so you guys can see. All right, here we go. I think they're super cute. It's kind of like the pink kind of takes the red a little bit, so it's not really like as vibrant, but I think that is super cute. I'm gonna put a little bit more glue on there, but I think the pink came out really nice. And guys, this spray adhesion, this stuff is sticky, so definitely put on gloves. Like if you were thinking to not do it, do it. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. All right, let's work. All right, guys, so we've done red, we've done pink, and we've done white. So now we're gonna switch it up and do silver. I think the silver is gonna be really cute. And actually, I don't know, since these colors are coming out so cute, I kind of want to do like maybe gold. I don't know, I had too many. That's why when I do stuff like this, I just create so much because I be trying to just try everything. I want to see what everything looks like, but I gotta save something for later. So let's do silver. I might do one gold one just to show you guys. I might do one gold, but we're gonna go ahead and do silver. So go ahead and get the bag, put the silver, pour it in there or whatever color, and make sure, guys, when you get the glitter, you get the extra fine glitter. You want to get extra fine because it's easier to stick to the whatever you're glittering. So we're gonna spray, evenly coated. Good. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. It's super cute. It's pretty cool. And these other silver roses. I missed the spot, so let me go back. I'm gonna spray a little bit right there. Oh my gosh, that's super cute. Okay, I gotta try gold. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna go get the gold because I just had to see what it look like. I'll be right back. All right, guys. So here are our finished roses. We have the white frosted rose. We have the red glitter rose, the pink glitter rose, the silver glitter rose, the black glitter rose, and the gold glitter rose. So far, I would have to say either the pink or the white. The pink and the white, those two are my favorites right now. But I want you guys to drop it down in the comment below and let me know which one is your favorite. The pink one, that is just beautiful. The red ones are cool. I think the silver is pretty cool. The gold is pretty cool. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of black roses to even begin with. So I know it just seemed kind of dark. But the black roses are super cool, especially if you like black roses. But I really like the white ones, and pink. I just love pink. So the pink ones are super cool. But I just want to show you guys what they look like before I put them in back on the stems and wrap up this video. So these are what they look like, and let me show you what they look like on the stem, guys. I'll be right back. All right, guys. So here we go. So this is just me showing you guys what the roses look like. So we have red glitter, we have some gold glitter, silver, black, and I mean this is not done. I mean, well, it's done, but it's not like, wrapped up and pretty. But just to show you guys, what it looks like. And then my two faves, we have the white glitter on the red roses, and then we have the pink glitter on the red roses. And I'm gonna show you guys, how to dress it up, but we're done for today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, leave a comment, definitely subscribe. I do a lot of custom work, but mainly on shoes, but I do a couple DIY things on other things. So if you enjoyed this video, please like it, leave a comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.